Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2021 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, I do see a small little scratch here. Let's have a look at the hood of the SUV. Everything looks good. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in perfect condition and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door, they're in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents or no scratches. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect and the wheel has no curb rash. So there are no scratches or dents on the driver's side at all. Let's take a look at the back of the SUV. Everything back here is in excellent condition. The trunk and back bumper look good. I do see on the back bumper right here just a small scratch there, but everything else is in excellent condition. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I'm not seeing any scratches on here at all. Everything looks perfect and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. Front and back door are in good condition. I'm not seeing any dents. I'm not seeing any scratches here at all. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks really good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Okay, the seat looks really good. Let's take a look at the third row seats. They look perfect as well back here. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. The door panel is in excellent condition as well. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This SUV has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console. Everything looks good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. The shifter is in excellent condition. All of the buttons are perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.